Pendle is one of the most exciting projects in the crypto world, shaping the future of finance. What makes it special is that this protocol doesn't just deal with the present, it allows future yields to be tokenized and traded today. Imagine this. You hold a yield-generating asset. Normally, you'd have to wait to receive the returns, but with Pendle, you can tokenize those future yields and trade them instantly. This means you can either cash out early or invest in the future to capture potentially bigger gains. At the core of Pendle lies a unique automated market maker, AMM, specially designed for assets that decay in value over time. This system solves one of the biggest challenges in finance: pricing future yields. Since yields depend on changing market conditions, interest rates, and asset performance, they are hard to value. Pendle makes them tradable, giving investors more flexibility, better risk management, and innovative financial instruments that simply didn't exist before. The use cases are just as powerful. On Pendle, users can stake their assets to support the network, engage in yield farming to earn rewards, and provide liquidity to earn transaction fees. Pendle holders also have governance rights, meaning they can vote and influence the direction of the protocol. In other words, Pendle is not just about investing, it's a community-driven ecosystem where participants help shape the future. Security is another area where Pendle stands strong. The protocol has undergone rigorous audits by trusted firms and has made its code open source for full transparency. After facing past challenges, the team has implemented stronger defenses, continuous monitoring, and robust security protocols. This gives users peace of mind that their funds are protected. Behind this vision are the founders, T.N. Lee and Vugaba Vineb, who set out to make yield management in crypto more liquid, accessible, and user-friendly. Today, Pendle stands as a testament to that vision, attracting both retail investors and institutional players who see its massive potential. Pendle is not just another DeFi protocol, it's a gateway to the future. By making it possible to trade tomorrow's yield today, it opens up new opportunities for risk management, yield optimization, and financial freedom. For anyone looking to stay ahead in the fast-evolving world of decentralized finance, Pendle offers a glimpse into what's next.